Hey whales, good morning. Happy Friday the 13th. Let's recap the markets and go over Nvidia. Okay, so with that said, let's jump into Nvidia here. So we did get that crazy news, right, with Iran and Israel overnight. There is a little bit of pressure with the U.S. equities market right now, especially with oil and gold starting to turn up as well on a bullish sequence. So we just have to keep that in mind. Now, with Nvidia, it does still look bullish to me overall. Now, the only warning signs and flashing warning signs that I see is that we are starting to get some bearish divergences starting to form on the daily time frame. So at any moment, right, this wave 3 in blue could be in, and we could go for a larger, deeper retrace for a wave 4. Now, we're not there yet. There's no bullish or a bearish break on Nvidia, so we can continue to extend the markets higher, especially if Nvidia can hold this pivot, guys, at 132.65. So as long as that pivot can hold, you can use sort of that pivot as your main retracement levels, right? And you're looking at potential areas to buy, like, 140, 137. These are sort of the areas you're looking at for a to finish off and continue trending higher for Nvidia in a series of 3s, 4s, and 5s, right? So you're using this as your main pivot, to draw your fibs from, to draw all your levels from, to continue pushing the markets higher. Now, I'll make sure to update you guys just in case the market structure does break or if I see deeper warning signs. But you can also see as well for the S&P 500, get some of these out the way. Again, we're getting some bearish divergences forming from the 3, 4, 5 levels, especially on the daily time frame again, as well, right? So this was a peak 3, 4, 5, lower high on RSI, higher high on RSI. So we're not sure yet if RSI can be, or if the divergences can be erased on the S&P 500, but that is something that I'm making sure I keep a big look at, because again, at any moment, this can turn into a wave 3 and then a 4 lower, right? And we don't get that intra-wave high. So it could turn something like this, okay? So just a waiting game at this point, but until then, guys, I do believe dips are going to be bought up pretty quickly. Markets are still bullish overall. It's just that we just need to see when this wave 3 is going to be put in place. We can't time a top. We don't know how a top's going to look like. I've seen a lot of positions where it does look like a rising wedge or something like this, very scary formation, but then all of a sudden it actually blows the top and continues higher, right? The markets just are not predictable. So with that said, if I, have this in mind, this roadmap in mind, I'm going to keep pushing the markets higher until proven otherwise. So I'm only looking for long positions on my day trades on my 1 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute time frames, wherever the opportunity is. Today, have a great rest of your weekend.